Hello friend, welcome to InfoSphere YouTube channel. This video detailing about by how to conduct a Facebook competitor analysis report plus template. So let's start my video. How to conduct a Facebook competitor analysis report plus template. A bit of competitions can bring out the best in people on social or Facebook. Competitor analysis can bring out the best in your brand. Successful marketers know that decisions aren't made with own analytics alone. Routine competitive analysis are essential for getting the full picture. Using Facebook data to bolster your competitive and intelligence can providing your with the insight needed to zig where others zag. Is no wonder Facebook is the most used platform by marketers worldwide. If you are ready to engage in some good old-fashioned competitive sleuthing, you in the right place. Here everything you need to know to start monitoring your competitors on Facebook. What is a Facebook competitors analysis? A Facebook competitor analysis is the process of evaluating your competitors' Facebook actively for benchmarking data. This report also provides insight into the strengths and weakness of your competitor's social media strategy overall. Conducting a Facebook competitor analysis involves reporting on key brands, growth and engagement metrics for your brand and its rival. It's also required a closer looks at your competitor posting habits, content formats, and how their audience engaged with their posts. Your teams can use the social data to set a baseline for audience growth, publishing, and engagement goals. This finding can help you define what it means to offers is superior content and service on social media, increasing the business impact of your presence on the network. Why should you do a Facebook competitive analysis? When conducting a social media competitive analysis, make sure Facebook your top priority according to Sprout 2024 social or media content strategy. Is report 23% of social users have a Facebook profile and nearly half, 44%, interact with brand content on the network at least once a day. All of these little interactions compounded over time make Facebook a goldmine of strategic insight. If that not enough, here are some other reasons to consider. Establish more relevant KPIs. Competitive benchmarking on Facebook can take the guesswork out of goal setting. For for example, say you are trying to set a new engagement goals. Looking at your historical data can help you set an achievable target, but without competitive insight, you risk setting goals that aren't aligned with industry strategy standards. Your Facebook competitor analysis can motivate you to aim higher with your social content while keeping your strategy attainable and actionable. Identify content gaps. Competitive analysis can eliminate cracks in your content strategy while supply the information needed to fill them. For instance, or oral health care brands conducting a Facebook competitive analysis might notice that Quip incorporates month-long observations into their content strategy. This provides an endless stream on social media content creations, ideas that gaps into trending topics. Since this post do well from the engagement standpoint that brands will consider how they can put their own unique spin on similar events. Create better content for your followers. Coming up with new content ideas is the top challenge of many social media marketers. Industry data can provide valuable insight during brainstorming seasons, helping you generate smarter, more relevant content ideas for each social platform. That's where your Facebook competitor analysis comes in. The analysis will help you Identify your rivals' content themes as you notice them. Ask yourself how your brand might approach some things similar. What would do you differently? What opportunities are there not talking advantage or eventually you comes up with a unique piece of inspired content that stands independently from its source material. Understand the strength of customer service efforts. Consumers are also more likely to turn to Facebook for customer care compared to any other channel, especially millennial, Gen X, and baby boomer. The qualitative review of your competitors' Facebook pages can help you clearly define your they are and aren't getting in terms of customer service. This will show you exactly what it takes to gain a competitive edge of social. Facebook competitive analysis tools will help you keep a pulse on what your audience expert from on the network. Eventually, if you find way to one up their service offering, cementing your sports as a brand people turn to for a better customer experience. Learn from your competitors its strategies. A Facebook competitive analysis gives you a clear snapshot of what's working and what's not for your top competitors. By digging into their content, engagement metrics, and audience interaction, you can pinpoint winning strategies like the best posting frequency, content formats, the get the most traction, the optimal times or to post. This data helps you refine your content strategy, adopt what's work, avoid common pitfalls so your brands stand out. Plus, it gives you a deeper understanding of how competitors are positioning themselves, helping us stay ahead with the more strategic differentials. How to conduct a Facebook competitors analysis. Let's go over our top tips for executing a Facebook competitive analysis effectively. Identify your Facebook competitors. Before conducting your competitive analysis, narrow in 1, 3 to 4 key competitors on Facebook. Tracking every single competitor's big and small can quickly become an unwieldy task. Instead, and for an even representations of direct, indirect, and inspirational competitors. This is a good time to talk to your sales teams and customers about which competitors help them make their decisions. This will help you understand your positions in the market and improve your approach. Gather your data. Once you confirm your target competitor, it's time to gather your different while to this process can time consuming, especially if the prospective the industry thought insight lead to more informed strategies. Use the social media analytics and tools streamlined approach to tracking competition metrics. Start your analysis by asking these three key questions: how active competitions and their audience, how they're fueling shots. Identify areas of improvement. The insight from competitors analysis can reveal strategies, opportunities to help your brands outplace the competition. Focus on doubling down to what's working well and closing any gaps that you may allowing forwards. What's really driving competitors' performance in 19 minutes of layers. How to analyze competitors on Facebook with Sprout. You could do some of this manually, Sprout and process and use a filter and customize data. We want to see a report. You build a while different 3 filters: engagement, purpose, use a trend, highlight, summary, starting pinpoint, and against a competitive against selected time period. The top post widget your just analyze published content across all competitors to understand what's resonating within the share audience. As you there are a few different ways to distribution your report from Sprouts. If you don't like and limit for number and structure files floating around people inbox. Try to inbox Facebook and competitors 30 tries today. Social slander. Social slander is another social engagement tool that serves different focus and indexing Facebook competitions analysis reports. Marketers use skirt saddler and monitor metrics like may the best win. The Facebook competitors analysis can be exactly what you need to level up on the network. Understanding where their strengths and weakness lies in the first steps to understanding how to outperform them on social. Compiling the data, that data takes a lot of work, especially when analyzing multiple competitors. Sprout Social can eliminate all this data collections while you can focus on planning your next step. Sign up for free trial today to test out the Facebook competitors report for free for 30 days। तो आज की वीडियो के लिए इतना ही। मैं मिलता हूँ आपको वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय।